Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss Anna.
Good morning, Leo.
You look very happy today. What happened?
Did you hear the news? The FIFA World Cup starts this Friday.
Wow! Oh, yes. I know. I am very excited, too. Do you like football, Leo?
Like it? Anna, I love football. In Brazil, football is not just a sport. It is our life.
In England, people feel the same way.
So, which team do you support? Of course, Brazil. We have the best players in the world. What about you, Anna?
I support England.
And I support Brazil.
That's great, Leo. But honestly, I am a little nervous. England does not always play well in the World Cup.
Ha ha ha!
Don't worry, Anna. Maybe this year is different. Did you hear? The World Cup starts on Friday. Yes, I know. I am watching all the matches.
I already have my Spain jersey ready.
Spain again? Sara, Brazil is gonna win this year.
No way, Leo. Spain's got this, remember?
Leo, Spain won in 2010. We know how to win. And Brazil won 5 times. 5. Can you believe that? No way.
Okay. Let's not fight. Let's watch together. It will be more fun. Good idea! Where do you want to watch? I want to watch at Mr. Khan's cafe. He has a big TV, and he makes amazing food.
Nice choice, Sara. Let's do it.
Perfect. Let's invite Anna too. She is our English teacher, but she loves football. That's a great idea, Leo. I will call her now.
Yeah, call her.
See you on Friday evening, here.
See you.
Don't be late.
Welcome, welcome. Come in. Tonight is a big night.
Mr. Khan! Your cafe is beautiful. You have flags from every country.
Yes, I love the World Cup. Every 4 years, I put up all the flags. Look, Brazil, Spain, Argentina, France, Germany, all here.
This is fantastic. I feel like I am at the stadium.
We're so glad you're enjoying it.
Mr. Khan, which team do you support?
I support good football. I don't care about the country. I just want to see beautiful goals.
That is a very good answer, Mr. Khan.
Now sit down. The match starts in 10 minutes. What do you want to eat?
Yes, that sounds good.
Can I have a cardamom latte? Tonight I have a special World Cup menu. Oh, burgers, nachos, and my famous samosas.
Oh, look at that pass. That was beautiful. Yes! Did you see the speed? That player runs like the wind. Woohoo! Amazing play. So fast.
Who is that player? Number 10? That's Marco. He's new. Incredible passes. Yeah, he's the key to this game.
That is Brazil's number 10, our star player.
Wow.
He is incredible.
He's incredible.
What does incredible mean in simple English?
It means really, really good.
Perfect. You are learning well. Shh. Look! Brazil has the ball near the goal.
Come on, come on, come on!
Goal! Yes! Did you see that? Did you see that?
That was amazing! The ball went into the top corner.
Okay, I have to say, that was a beautiful goal.
Thank you, Sara. See? Brazil is the best. Leo, can you describe what happened in the first half?
At the beginning, both teams were nervous. Then Brazil started to play better.
What do you think about Spain's performance?
Spain was slow at the start. But in the last 15 minutes, we played better. I think in the second half, Spain will score.
More samosas? Second half is starting soon.
Yes! Come on, Spain! More energy!
Don't worry, Leo.
Don't worry. Brazil will defend well.
Leo, what does defend mean? Defend means to protect. To stop the other team from scoring.
Good. You are becoming a great English speaker, Leo.
Thank you.
She's right.
Look! Spain is attacking! Oh no!
Not now.
They're gonna score!
Go all! Spain! Yes!
No! No! How did that happen?
Incredible! The goalkeeper did not see the ball coming.
Now it is equal. 1-1. This is so exciting. Wow. Yeah, amazing. I told you, Leo. Spain always fights back.
The match is not finished. Brazil will score again. I believe it. Come on, Brazil! Come on!
Yes! Brazil! Brazil! Brazil!
Oh no. Yes, fantastic finish.
Leo, how do you feel right now? In English? I feel incredible. I feel like I am flying. I feel like the whole world is beautiful.
Okay, Leo, Brazil won today. But the tournament is long. Spain will be back.
I know, Sara. And I respect Spain.
You played really well in the second half.
Thank you. And honestly, that last goal was beautiful.
Thanks, Sara.
Thank you for saying that.
See? This is what football teaches us. Respect, sportsmanship, and coming together.
And also, it teaches us that samosas taste better when your team wins.
That's so true. He's right.